Hi, it's Ted from The Devil's in the Details. I've done the boot lid and half the roof, and I've come down the quarter and I'm on the back wing now. But although the paint's coming up really well, the transition between the panels has a lot to be said for itself. Look how the edges are so orange peely. I can understand why, they don't want to mop up there. So I'm going in with a little block and I'm going to try and get it a bit flatter, because the paint's quite flat as you come round the curve, but once you go up, that's how it looks. So I'm going to have a look how easy it is to get the aerial out. If it's not easy, I should just go round it. But it's all like this all the way down the car. So if I can blend it so it doesn't draw your eye to it, then all well and good. So that's what I'm going to be doing, I suppose, for the rest of the day. Is trying to get this looking somewhere near the panel it joins to, because that comes nice and smooth to the edge, and then you get all this. So it just makes the car look more natural. If you can take your eye away from some of these bits, then obviously a car of this age, it's not unusual for them to have been resprayed, but if you can make it look like a quality respray, they won't look too hard. I know you shouldn't say that, but that's the reality. We want it to look stunning from the off, so there you go. I'm going to carry on flattening this. I'm just going to have a look at this aerial, see if I can pop that out. And I'm sure you'll hear more from me as and when things progress. The paint's coming up quite nice without too much work, although there's quite a few bits in it which I'll have to get out. But I've got my trusty flatting bucket here, so as usual, I'm not frightened to get stuck in. Just don't want any accidents with this, so I'm going to be very careful. So there we go. I'll see you later. Ta-da. Here you can see some of the imperfections that I was trying to show. They're a bit easier showing up. A few bits of dirt and whatnot in the paint as well. But you can see that's a low spot, that is, because my block hasn't touched some of it, so that'll be got to knock this down some more. But I just wanted to show you how uneven these top edges. See all these bits. Well, we'll flatten them all out, then repolish it. This I've actually done that bit there, which hasn't come out too bad, so we'll get on with it. I just thought I'd show you. It does show a bit better when it's I've started flatting. You can actually see the highs, lows and all the bits, and like that there, a crater. So I'm going to carry on flatting, get it as flat as I can, and then polish it, see what it looks like. There you go. See you later.